Coastal and marine ecosystems are important as reservoirs for removing nitrate from terrestrial ecosystems. Nitrate in aquatic environments can be consumed by several processes simultaneously, such as denitrification, Ammonium, and DNRA. While previous studies have shown that DNRA is potentially comparable to denitrification, studies measuring DNRA activity are still very limited compared to those measuring denitrification. In our protocol, we provide a detailed procedure for the measurement of the potential DNRA rate in environmental samples. Briefly, that potential DNRA rate can be calculated from N15 labeled ammonium accumulation with N15 labeled nitrate addition. The advantage of our method compared to other methods is that ammonium is ultimately converted to nitrous oxide, which has a low atmospheric background. Also, it is noteworthy that we measured nitrous oxide by a quadrupole gas chromatography mass spectrometer, which is less expensive and easy to manage than an isotope ratio mass spectrometer.
First, place a 60 mm piece of PTFE tape on a small sheet of aluminum foil. Ash a glass fiber filter at 450 degrees Celsius for 4 hours in a muffle furnace. Then, place the glass fiber filter a little above the midpoint of the longer axis of